Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe. Hope you all are staying safe. Today's video is on how to make your own hand sanitizer at home using the recipe provided by the World Health Organization to help curb the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. I shall be taking you through the items you will be needing to make your own hand sanitizer at home and where to find them. And also, I shall be talking about some preventive measures that you need to practice daily in order to stay safe from this pandemic. So, let's get started. Now, the emphasis to sanitize your hands often is to clean your hands thoroughly to remove dirt and bacteria. Now, to help you achieve this, you need a sanitizer, which is a substance designed to kill germs from the surface and skin and to stop the spread of diseases. Now, you will be needing the following: isopropyl alcohol. Yes, isopropyl alcohol. And I got this from the pharmacy and it was super affordable when I got it. Your hydrogen peroxide, okay, and I got this from the pharmacy, super affordable as well, and check for the expiration dates. And also you need the glycerin, okay. I got the glycerin from the cosmetics section in the supermarket. Measuring cups like this, okay. You can get this from the household section in the supermarket or shops where they sell plastics. You'll find it there. You need a glass cup as well, okay. A glass cup, you need a glass cup. And then you need your funnel, okay. You need your funnel, okay. A bottle like this for the mixture, okay. And maybe you have this at home, it's empty, or you've used it before, you just clean it up, okay. And then you need a safety glasses, all right, or a goggle, something you just use to cover your face to avoid any splash. Then a spray bottle, yes, a spray bottle where you're going to turn in the little that you will be using. All right, so you get a spray bottle. Okay, I look cute in my safety glasses, okay, just to protect my eyes. Now, you need the 1 cup of the isopropyl alcohol, and this is 1 cup. The measurement is written on the handle. Okay, so I'm just going to open. I'm going to pour to fill it up. Okay, so it's filled up now. All right, so I'm going to pour it into the bottle, and then I'll be needing a hydrogen peroxide, okay, 1 tablespoon, and this is 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to fill it up, okay, and pour it in. And then the next thing is the glycerin. You need 1 teaspoon of glycerin. I'm just going to open it, and this is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to fill it up. Now this one is thick, and pour it in. 1/3 and a teaspoon of water, and then you pour it in. Good, and that is it. All right, so I'm just going to take out the funnel, place it, and then cover it up. All right, and I'm going to shake. So you're going to shake very well. You're going to shake very, very well. All right, and that is our homemade sanitizer. Okay, so that is it. And then you are going to allow this to sit for 72 hours. Allow it to quarantine for 72 hours before use. And whatever you're doing, make sure you cover this tightly so it doesn't evaporate. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it up. So I've covered it up now, all right, and then I'll allow it to sit for 72 hours. So that is it. About some of the safety measures you need to practice daily in order to stay safe from the COVID-19 pandemic. And one of them is that you need to wash your hands regularly. Now these days you don't have to wash your hands casually anymore. You take your time and you wash your hands very well. Now this is how you're going to be washing your hands. Okay, then you're going to wash. Okay, you scrub. Scrub your palms. Scrub very well. Go inside and in between your fingers. You're supposed to do this for 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds. And then inside your nails, because germs can go there and just rest there. So you continue again. You scrub. All right. Oh, I'm enjoying this. You're supposed to wash this off with warm water, and to do this you ought to do this in a running tap, okay, in a running tap. But since there's been power cut over here for some time and water isn't flowing, I'm sorry to say, it is what it is. I'm just gonna get the water in the jug here and wash my hands, okay? So my little sister here is gonna help me out, okay? It's all about making things work, so I'm just gonna wash it off. All right, so yes, my hands are clean now. Thank you, little sis.
You're welcome.
All right, so I'm going to use a clean towel, okay, to dry up my hands. So after washing my hands, I'm going to sanitize, and this is the sanitizer I'm using till after the one I made sits for 72 hours. So you sanitize your hands. The next precaution you need to take is to open doors with your elbow. Now if you cannot open the door with your elbow, you can also use your hands, but make sure you protect your hands with a serviette or tissue paper or a wipe, and then you open the door with it and trash it immediately. And also, if you have to use the ATM machine, you know you have to punch the buttons, protect your hands as well, okay? And then even to punch the buttons on elevators, you also protect your hands or use your elbow. And then the next one is, if you have to cough or sneeze, you dab, okay, with your elbow, and do not allow people to sneeze on you. And then practice social distancing when wearing your mask. Now this is my mask. Avoid touching it. If you have to take it off, you take it off through the strings from both ears. Now I'm going to show you. And so that is the end of today's video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the button and turn on your notification bell so that when there's an update, you'll be the first to get it. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. It means the world to me. All right, I'll see you again soon. Stay safe and bye.